All right, today I'm excited to be taking a look at the Umbrauto floor liners. We're going to be putting them in our 2024 Silverado 1500. These are a high quality, all-weather floor liner that's going to keep your carpets clean, and they're super easy to clean out. Something I really appreciate about these is they send them to you in a box that actually fits the mats. Can't tell you how many times I've ordered something like this and they scrunch them into this tiny box, and then when you get them out, they don't fit flat in your vehicle or they have creases in them. As expected, they're pretty big because they're going in a big truck. Already I'm liking the design. You can tell that they are going to fit the entire floor space. They have these lips that come up around the edges, which are great for holding liquids or any other type of materials that fall down. That keeps them right in the middle of the tray. Each mat has the proper fastener to secure them to your floor. And as you can see right out of the box, there's no creases. So they're gonna go in looking brand new. They're not gonna take forever to actually fit into place in your truck. To show you what we have in our Silverado already, this is the factory rubber floor mat option from Chevrolet. And while they do a pretty good job, they also stain super easily. These are like a softer rubber than the Umbrauto ones. They're not quite as easy to clean. They also have a lot of crevices that collect dirt. And while we do like these, it was a quite expensive option to include on this truck. And if you're buying them aftermarket, they're over $300. All right, let's see how easy these fit in there. Nice strong click on those. And something that is really nice that I'm noticing is it has this little bit of a overhang over the step, so it protects the step. That's something that always drives me nuts getting in and out of the truck, especially my kids, is using the step and leaving marks. So you can see that it has a little bit of an overhang and will protect that. Really nice fit. The color of the mat actually matches the rest of the plastic materials in the truck, so they blend in really well too. Now let's take a look at the back. Really nice fit. I like how all of the edges have lips, so if you do spill something, it's going to contain it to the actual mat. Very nice. And then just like the front, you can see it has a nice big overhang that protects the door sill. And you can see there's no interference with the door. Here's the passenger side, just like the driver's side. Nice, perfect fit in it. One thing you might be wondering is if they have a smell to them at all. I left them in my hot truck for about an hour and there's no scent. I can't smell any rubber. If anything, it's just a slight hint of new vehicle smell. So I'm definitely super impressed with these mats. Umbrauto did a really good job with fitment. They're a high quality mat. Big thumbs up. And huge thanks to the brand for sending these out for review.